Hello everyone. Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Siti Norashkin Ismail. Currently, I'm the research officer at University Malaysia Terengganu UMD and also the committee member of Nature Sustainable Ecosystem Society. What I'm doing is environment, especially the forest ecology. Right now, we are currently engaging with the Think City grant for the small town of Seberang Perai. And we did the survey of bird in the forest area at Seberang Perai. We have 3 locations for our survey site. First is at the Air Tamdalam Educational Forest. And the second is Bukit Mentajam Eco Forest. And the third is the Bukit Pancus State Park. So, this is a very huge opportunity for us to get involved in the research area at Seberang Perai. After we get to know that the Think City offer the grant for environmental research at Seberang Perai, we grab this opportunity. We apply because we wanted to know, we are excited to know what kind of bird species that we have in this area of Seberang Perai. The grant helped us a lot in terms of financial support, especially because we wanted to deploy our team member in the field at 3 locations. So it support our traveling expenses, our research expenses and everything. We are grateful because of this opportunity. We can do the survey in a proper way of doing it. This grant also not only support for our site survey but also support our workshop with the community, especially during the community, our participants are from the student itself. Also, there's a field officer and also perhimpunan officer. During the workshop, we get to know this field. They can say this is quite a new field for them, birding ecotourism in Seberang Perai. So we open up their vision on the birding ecotourism, and hopefully it can help Seberang Perai, the town especially, to develop in terms of ecotourism. It is called Bengkel Eksplorasi Biologi bersama komuniti Seberang Perai. We conducted at Ceruk Tekun, Seberang Perai area. We have 2 sections actually. One is we have field activity and another one we have lecture in the hall. It taken place at Ceruk Tekun Community Hall. So during the workshop, we introduce the participant with the field activities. And then we also teach them how to, we can say, to support the area for birding.
Okay.
So
Interesting.
after they experience the field activities, and then we go to the hall, we gave them a lecture on the bird ecology. So what is important of birds, and then we also expose them what the future of birding career in Malaysia. Individual, they just do it for fun, but we can generate income also with the birding activities actually. If you can identify, you know what are the bird species, you can bring tourists to the spot. So, if you happen to know the population of birds in your area, you can be the representative. But make sure that you have the license, especially nature guide. We have the license for nature guide, right? So nature guide, they have the great opportunity to become the representative for that. After our data collection, our outcome of from this project, so Seberang Perai to develop the area, because forest is the aim of Malaysia, is to protect 50% of the area as forested area.
Oh.
So if we have another element, like another organism that are very dependent on forest ecology, especially birds, they survive in this habitat. So Seberang Perai, I can see that we can have a vision to make sure that it is not being destroyed. As we develop, we also still protect and give attention to our environment, surrounding environment, and also organisms that are depending on it. The action plan of the state government, maybe protection area for ecosystem, biodiversity ecosystem. We can also suggest or try to suggest in the international level as a Ramsar site. Yeah. We have like Ramsar Convention is for wetland protection area lah, wetland. The item educational forest is it can be classified as wetland area. So you can try to protect it and get recognition at the international level. We can try to propose it as one of Ramsar site here in Seberang Perai. In Seberang Perai, Teluk Air Tawar is internationally recognized as important bird area for shorebird. So we came up with this proposal to complete the bird list in Seberang Perai because we did the forest bird in the area. Why is very important? Because after this, if anybody or tourist or researcher come to Seberang Perai, they get to know all the complete species of bird from the sea, from the shorebird to the bird in the forest area. And the community also get to appreciate the bird species or we can say the biodiversity have around the area. We can introduce interesting site for birding area, especially that we have in Seberang Perai, like Seberang Perai Utara, we have hutan pembelajaran air hitam dalam. Seberang Perai Tengah, we have Bukit Mertajam Eco-Forest. And then at Seberang Perai Selatan, we have the Bukit Panco State Park. So all these sites all together, we can promote them as one of potential area for ecotourism. Ramsar site, it is an international recognition bodies to ensure that we taking care and maintain the conservation efforts in our area, not only for now but also for future generation. I would like to acknowledge everyone that are involved directly or indirectly in this project, especially my team member at the Nature Sustainable Ecosystem Society NEST, all the kampung people, Jambatan Perhutanan Negeri Pulau Pinang, Jambatan Pendidikan Pulau Pinang, and Majlis Perbandaran Seberang Perai, Bird Park, Malaysia Nature Society, MNS, Peninsula Shorebird Malaysia, and yeah, of course, our Team City, our supporter.